Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and basic settings so force feedback behaves predictably. Connect the wheel or joystick, update firmware, and run the device calibration utility. Once done, set the game's force feedback to a baseline value like 100% and turn off additional controllers that could conflict. You'll also want to ensure rotation range and dead zone are defined in the utility. This prevents odd steering behavior. These steps stop problems early and give you a reliable platform for tuning intensity and effects. Now you refine how feedback feels by changing effect parameters and mappings. Start with strength adjustments in small increments, 10% steps, so you can detect changes without overdoing it. Increase damping to smooth jitter and tune spring for centering feel. Map road, collision, engine, and self-aligning torque to distinct channels so you can isolate issues. Once done, run telemetry or the game's diagnostics to watch real-time force values and iterate until steering returns realistic, informative cues without clipping or numbness. Finish by validating across common driving scenarios so you catch edge cases. You should test slow corners, high-speed corrections, and curb impacts to ensure forces scale properly. Once satisfied, lock profiles per game and export backup configurations so you can restore settings quickly. If you encounter clipping, sudden silence, or weak feedback, first lower global strength slightly, confirm the wheel has sufficient USB power, and redo calibration. Doing these final checks makes the setup repeatable and reliable for consistent force feedback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.